Hey everyone, want a smart thermostat but don't have, or don't want to deal with, a C-wire? No worries. Today we're highlighting the top 4 smart thermostats on the market that work great without a C-wire. Let's dive in.
Our first pick, ecobee 3 Lite. This is the best overall smart thermostat for homes without a C-wire, thanks to its included power extender kit or PK. The PK supplies the power it needs without extra wiring, and it still gives you full smart features, scheduling, smart alerts, humidity control, and geofencing. It integrates with ecobee's smart security, is affordable and sleek, and avoids wiring hassle. Great all-around value. Next up is the ultra-budget-friendly Sensi Lite. It's our best budget option, and it works without a C-wire in most setups, relying on a pair of AA batteries. It features easy scheduling, filter change reminders, and alerts via the Sensi app. Simple and reliable, perfect for those who want smart functionality on a budget. Our third pick is the ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium, the premium choice for those wanting full smart home features. It comes with the PEK adapter to bypass the need for a C-wire, and includes detachable room sensors for advanced temperature and occupancy detection. Feature-rich, integrates with major smart platforms, and offers air quality monitoring, ideal if you want the best tech and comfort. And finally, the Google Nest Thermostat and Nest Thermostat E, great battery-powered options that function without a C-wire. They use energy harvesting from your HVAC to top up their internal rechargeable batteries, with AAA backup for reliability. While installation is a breeze and they're stylish, occasional power hiccups have been reported without a C-wire, so keep that in mind.
Here's a quick recap of our top picks for smart thermostats that don't need a C-wire.
ecobee 3 Lite, best overall, peak included. Sensi Lite, best on a budget, battery. ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium, sensors and PEK. Google Nest, E, battery-powered, sleek.
Let me know in the comments. Do you own one of these already? Or thinking of installing one? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. See you next time.